Hello students, welcome to class. Today we are evaluating Raleigh 14. Unfortunately, she failed. She's a speciesist, a hypocrite. She lies about being vegan. She encourages stealing eggs. She encourages stealing animals. She encourages stealing lives. She's elitist and snobby. She pays for murder, and she makes money on YouTube while encouraging animal suffering. This is the message that the animals gave to me and told me to share here on YouTube. You see, dogs don't want to die, but they also don't want all of their friends to be murdered so that they can have dog food, flesh, raw food. This pig does not want to die to feed this dog, but Raleigh 14 thinks, no, it's okay. Dogs need to have raw meat, and so therefore we should be killing other animals, locally, like this little bunny. That's what she thinks is okay. I am against killing. I am against hurting innocent lambs. I don't think it's okay to take babies away from their mothers and murder them and give them to any of these dogs. If this is your dog, would you honestly be able to take a knife and cut the head off of this animal to feed it to your dog? Raleigh thinks it's okay, even though vegan dog food exists and you can just add water to it and you can supplement with fresh fruits and vegetables. No, Raleigh thinks that's not good enough. We still have to pay for the murder of all kinds of innocent animals, like this duck. Raleigh thinks that we should kill baby ducks, steal them away from their mothers, and feed them to the dog, even though this dog does not necessarily want that. This dog would be perfectly happy eating the vegan kibble. That's called kindness. It's called compassion. There's no reason to kill a lamb and feed a lamb to a dog. This dog can live perfectly happily by eating the vegan kibble. Why pay for murder if you don't have to? Why love one but eat the other? This is an old sign that I had on the fence outside, and it faded a bit, but I still have it here. This is a cupboard of toys that my granddaughter plays with. And my granddaughter would not want any of these animals to die. She would be horrified if Raleigh 14 came in here and said, no, sorry, sweetie, we have to take away one of your animals and murder him or her to feed him or her to a dog. Not okay. Raleigh, you should be ashamed of yourself for pretending to be vegan. Everyone else, why love one but eat the other? There's no reason for it. Why love one but eat the other? There's no reason for it. Raleigh 14 failed. She's a speciesist. She's a hypocrite. She lies about being vegan because vegans protect animals. They never advocate for doing the wrong thing. There's no right way to do the wrong thing, Raleigh. Raleigh encourages stealing. She encourages stealing the eggs from chickens. It's wrong. Their eggs belong to them. She encourages stealing of animals, just stealing them. Why would you want to steal an animal and murder that animal? You have no right to touch them. Nobody wants to kill this cat and feed this cat to this dog. Nobody wants to kill this dog and feed this dog to this cat. There is something called vegan dog food and vegan cat food. And if it can be done, we must strive as hard as possible to do the least harm globally to all of the animals. It's wrong to take a knife to their throat, Raleigh. It's wrong to put pigs in gas chambers, Raleigh. You call your animal yours in quotations, but in fact, animals don't belong to us. They're here on the planet with us, not for us. We are merely here to take care of them when their lives are in danger. We have no right to kill a rabbit and feed that rabbit to a dog just because we say that that dog is ours. Leave animals the fuck alone, Raleigh. Raleigh, you failed. Raleigh encourages stealing lives. Raleigh is elitist and snobby because she says you should buy dead animals locally. But not everybody can afford to do that, Raleigh. Not everybody has as much money as you do. Not everybody makes money off of YouTube the way that you do, encouraging this horrific crime to take place. Raleigh pays for murder. She thinks it's okay to murder animals. Raleigh makes money on YouTube while encouraging animal suffering. Raleigh, if you really think that your dog needs to eat flesh, needs to chew on a bone, needs to eat muscle, ligaments, and tendons, if you really think that your dog needs raw meat, then what about looking down at your own hand? Do you see 5 fingers there? Did you ever consider, perhaps, cutting off one of them and giving them to your dog? I mean, if you really think that your dog absolutely needs flesh, why do you think it's okay to leave some animals intact and not others? Why do you think that that seems crazy to you? You'd be perfectly willing to cut the foot off of a duck or a chicken and feed that to a dog. What about your own hand, Raleigh? Every time you look at your own hands, Raleigh, think about it. You would never want to cut off yourself to feed yourself to a dog. So why do it when the clear choice is vegan food? It is the best compromise for everyone. Raleigh, it's been a while that we've been going back and forth, and every time you never cease to amaze me with your hypocrisy. You fail. To everyone else watching, please look on the screen. You will see other videos popping up. Please click on them if they interest you, and subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell. You'll see it there. And every time a new video goes up, it will go bing, and you can join us here and help us save these animals. We need animal rights advocates for the innocent who cannot defend themselves and cannot speak out for themselves. We do not need fake vegans like Raleigh Link 14. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.